Welcome to the instructions video for the Specific Heat Interactive Calculator. This powerful tool helps you solve heat transfer problems using the fundamental thermal equation Q equals mc delta T. Whether you need to find heat energy, mass, specific heat capacity, or temperature change, this calculator makes it simple. Start by selecting which variable you want to solve for from the drop-down menu. For this example, we'll calculate heat energy. Enter the mass in kilograms. Let's use 2 kilograms of water. Next, enter the specific heat capacity. Water has a value of 486 joules per kilogram Kelvin. Finally, enter the temperature change. We'll use 25 degrees. Click the Calculate button, and the calculator instantly shows you the heat energy required is 209,300 joules. You can easily switch to solve for any other variable by selecting it from the drop-down and entering your known values. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.